Good morning to everyone. I'm Samyukta from 2nd BSc. I'm here to present my views on urban sprawl. Next slide, ma'am. Introduction. Urban sprawl is the unrestricted growth in many urban areas of housing, commercial development, and roads over a large expanses of land with little concern of urban planning. The term urban sprawl is highly politicized and almost always have negative connotation. It is criticized for causing environmental degradation, intensifying segregation, and undermining the vitality of existing urban areas, and is attacked on aesthetic grounds. The pejorative meaning of the term means that few openly support urban sprawl as such. The term has become a rallying cry for managing urban growth. Characteristics: single use development, low density, conversion of agricultural land into urban use, housing subdivisions. Single use development. This refers to a situation where commercial, residential, and institutional and industrial areas are separated from one another. Consequently, large tracts of land are devoted to a single use and are segregated from one another by in, open space, infrastructure, or other barriers. Low density. Sprawl is often characterized as consisting of low density development. The exact definition of low density is arguable, but a common example is that of single family homes on large lots. Buildings usually have fewer stories and are spaced farther apart, separated as lawns and backyards. Conversion of agricultural land to urban use. Lands of sprawl is often taken from fertile agricultural land, which are often located immediately surrounding cities. The extent of modern sprawl has consumed a large amount of the most productive agricultural land as well as forests, desert, and other wilderness areas. Housing subdivision. They are large tracts of land consisting entirely of newly built residence. It is stated that housing subdivisions are sometimes called as village, towns, and neighborhoods by their developers, which is misleading because they are not exclusively residential. Next slide, ma'am. Causes. The rise in population growth, lack of proper laws that can regulate urban planning, improved infrastructure, rise in standard of living. Rise in population growth. Another factor that contributes urban sprawl is the rise in population growth. As the number of people in a city grows beyond the capacity, the local communities continue to spread farther and farther from city centers. Lack of proper laws that can regulate urban planning. Regulating processes that are not properly bound by the law can be extremely difficult. Such is the case with urban sprawling. Since there are no strong laws that governs the system of urbanization, it becomes somewhat wayward and uncontrolled process that deepens the problem of urban sprawling. Improved infrastructure. There is increased spending on these type of infrastructures, including roads and electricity. This is something that has not always been available. There are still some areas don't have these luxuries. That doesn't mean they aren't working on it. Effects: health issues, environmental issues, impact on social lives, increase in public expenditure and traffic. Health issues. When the population density of a particular place increases by leaps and bounds, there, there are disease spreads like wildfire sometimes, especially the highly communicable disease like chicken pox and others. Some like it might spread very quickly. Environmental issues. Sprawls can also cause certain environmental issues that you may may want to be aware of it. In fact, when you think about of going out to develop these lands, you will have to be worry about wildlife in these lands. You will be replacing them, and it can be really and it can cause a ripple in the environment. Impact on socialism. Humans are social beings and are remaining connected with other people is very necessary for proper living. The lack of contact might lead to some very complicated mental disorders in human beings. Solutions. Adopting the principle of new urbanization, imparting proper education, application of some smart planning. Adopting the principle of new urbanization. Urbanization is a vital principle that helps check the problem of urban sprawling to a great extent. When the focus turns to the suburbs and towards the entire inner city, growth can happen without pollution and landscape destruction that comes with sprawl. And that is a philosophy of new urbanization. It decreases pollution as well as protects the natural environment, imparting proper education. In order to prevent urban sprawling, it is absolutely crucial that masses are properly educated and adequately thought about sprawling as well as it causes and effects. Application of smart planning. In order to prevent sprawling, smart growth or mixed growth could be encouraged by architects. In these types, the residential, commercial, and workplace are not separated. This saves a lot of space. The planning becomes compact and living become even more sustainable. That this it isn't something that going to change, but over the time, the more rural areas are going to become more populated because of the development and change. Impact on sustainable development. Urbanization is one of the most impactful human activities across the world today, affecting the quality of urban life and sustainable development. Urban sprawl has resulted in unsustainable urban development patterns of social, environmental, and economic perspectives. Case study. Ludhiana fares among the most dangerous in India for walking and biking, but the state has adopted an innovative design system to address these challenges over time. The state's dangerous thoroughfares come through many decades of automobile orientation design that mostly ignored context. Ludhiana's seven context zone covering the entire state represent a new common sense approach to the street design for the State Department of Transportation. Conclusion. Urban sprawl is a term that used for politicizing a number of issues since the very advent of industrial era, mostly used for negative criticisms to highlight mainly environmental effects of industrialization. It has become the cry that urges everyone to try to control what is known as the urban growth. Thank you.